In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bundle auto and home insurance in Progressive. To get started, head to Progressive and begin a home insurance quote. If you already have auto insurance with Progressive, the easiest path is to sign into your account first and request a home quote from there. That helps connect your existing policy with the new one. If you're brand new to Progressive, you can usually request both your auto and home quotes together, which can make the process more efficient and help you see your options in one place. As you go through the quote process, take a little time to compare the coverage options carefully. This is an important part of bundling because the goal is not just to combine policies, but to make sure both policies actually fit your needs. Review the coverage limits for each policy, look at the deductible amounts, and pay attention to the premium you'll be paying. A lower price can be appealing, but it's still important to make sure the protection is appropriate for your vehicle, your home, and your situation overall. Once you've reviewed the details and you're comfortable with the coverage, move on to purchasing both policies. If you already have auto insurance with Progressive, this step usually means adding the home policy to your existing account. If you're purchasing both auto and home insurance at the same time, just complete the application process for both policies together. Be sure to read through the information before you finalize everything so the policy details match what you expect. After that, confirm your bundle discount. This is a key step that people sometimes overlook. Ask whether the multi-policy discount is being applied, and if so, when it will show up in your premium. In some cases, the discount may appear right away, while in others it may be reflected after both policies are active. Getting confirmation helps avoid confusion later. Finally, once your policies are active, you can manage both of them together. In many cases, Progressive lets you view and manage your auto and home insurance from the same online account or through the mobile app. That makes it easier to check policy documents, review payments, and keep track of your coverage in one place. That's all it takes to bundle auto and home insurance with Progressive. If you follow the process carefully, compare your coverage, and confirm the discount, you'll be in a much better position to manage both policies smoothly.